Simex was founded in 1991 in San Giovanni in Persiceto, in the production district of Emilia, thanks to the passion, expertise and commitment that have long been hallmarks of this area. Simex has continued ever since to develop new equipment suitable for various fields of application. Tens of patents applicable to roadworks, infrastructures and utilities, as well as for demolitions, constructions and quarrying. From the first assembly lines, which allowed the company to do most of its processing in-house, to the new headquarters in 2003, Simex keeps on growing, becoming well established in international markets. Production facilities have been expanded in order to accommodate a wider product range, with a view to increasing quality, production and R&D capacity. Over the last 30 years, the company has become the technology partner of choice for thousands of earth-moving industry professionals worldwide. With continuous investments and a global vision proudly rooted in its history, the company's production plant in San Giovanni in Persiceto now covers a total area of 48,000 square meters, of which 18,000 square meters of indoor space. The year 2020 was marked by numerous challenges, some more difficult than others, which Simex boldly addressed by investing further in facilities and logistics, increasing its R&D efforts, and last but not least, focusing on developing its human capital. Today, 30 years since its inception, Simex boasts a state-of-the-art production department capable of producing up to 500 units per month during peak demand periods. A large amount of space is dedicated to testing equipment so as to ensure the highest quality standards. Each area is reserved for a specific type of product. A spacious indoor logistics area of 7,500 square meters ensures increased stock capacity and, as a result, shorter delivery times. Automated vertical warehouses. Boring and robotic welding stations allow Simex to improve the quality of its components, such as drums and cutting wheels, while ensuring high safety standards. Demo area has recently been relocated to allow for testing and ongoing product development, simulating all fields of application. Meeting rooms, offices, and in general corporate spaces have been redesigned to create dynamic and interconnected work environments, also remotely. This is all complemented by a prompt customer and after-sales service, and an extensive sales network covering over 80 countries. 30 years of close relationships with local distributors and national importers. A branch office in Russia and, from January 2021, in the USA. The proven reliability and engineering quality of Simex attachments stems from the commitment, passion and expertise of hundreds of people.
Simex.
Simex.
Simex. Simex. Simex. Simex.
Simex.
Simex, looking to the future, together for 30 years.
Música